Find VO in the circuit of figure. If the source current is reduced to 1 microampere, what is VO? Solution. First of all, we will redraw the circuit. Now let's assume this is current. This is current 1 ampere. Let's say this is current I1 and this is current I2. So we will find first I1, then I2. So I1 will be equal to, I1 is equal to this current, which is 1 ampere according to current division rule. So this current into opposite branch resistance, which is 8 ohm, by total. So total will be 8 plus 5 plus, now this will be 2 plus 4, 6, and 6 parallel with 6 ohm, this will be 3. So this will be 1 into 8 by 8 plus 5 plus 3. 8 plus 5 plus 3. So this is 0.5 ampere. I1 is equal to 0.5 ampere. Now we can find the value of I2. So I2 is equal to, now this I2 is equal to this current, which is 0.5 ampere into opposite branch resistance, which is 6 ohm, by total. So total is 6 plus, this will be 4 plus 2, 6. So this is equal to 0.5 into 6 by 6 plus 6. This is 0.25 ampere. So from this we can find the value of VO. VO is equal to I2 into 2 ohm. So VO is equal to I2 into 2. So 0.25 into 2 is equal to 0.5 ampere. Now we have the value of, not ampere, the unit of voltage is volt. So VO is equal to 0.5 volt. Now what we have to find? Find VO in the circuit of figure. If the source current is reduced to 1 microampere, what is VO? Now we have to find VO when this is reduced to 1 microampere. So same calculation. This 1 ampere will reduce to 1 microampere. So instead of this will be 1 microampere. 1 microampere. So this will be 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 8 by 8 plus 5 plus 3. 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. So this will be, or 500 nanoampere, and this will be 500 nanoampere. So this will be answer into 6 by 6 plus 6. 250 nanoampere. So this will be 250 nanoampere. Now 250 nanoampere into 2. 250 into 10 raised to minus 9 into 2, this will be 500 nanovolt. So this will be 500 nanovolt. Therefore, VO is equal to 500 nanovolt. For more educational videos, subscribe this channel.